Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to comment with a photo on a RedNote post on your iPhone. So if you're going through these posts and you're seeing some comments which appear with a photo, then let me show you how you can do this on your iPhone. So before we begin, first go to your app store. You want to search for the RedNote app, which looks like this. Tap on it and make sure you've updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to make sure you're on Home and you're on the For You tab. Now you want to go ahead and find the post where you want to comment with a photo. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the comment section. So these are all the comment section. Now here, just above all the comments, you'll see Say Something. So now if you want to post a photo on this comment, go ahead and tap on the photo icon here at the right hand side. Now you want to go ahead and find a photo which you want to comment. So for example, this one here. And then I'll go ahead and put in my comment. Then tap on send. And as you can see, I've commented with a photo from my phone library. So there you go guys, that is how to comment with a photo on a RedNote post using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.